Don't get me wrong, I don't ever complain when I'm at Disneyland. But the last time we were here, I was already sweating bullets at 9 or 8 o'clock in the morning. It was not comfortable. And it made it very hard. But today,
yeah,
it actually looks like fall because it's overcast. Or as our friend in Australia says, autumn. Can you say autumn?
autumn.
We are excited to be at Disneyland. Today's September 18th, and we're going to start our adventure in a couple minutes here, huh?
Yeah.
And we're not gonna waste time. We're gonna go get some rides done because last time we spent a lot of time doing nothing. This time we're doing a lot of something. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Disclaimer: Bree was on medication, which is part of the way her face is, as she calls it, very embarrassing. And we're in! Oh yeah, it feels great. And today we have a very special guest with us. I'm gonna let Bree introduce.
Yeah, me.
Wait, here. Tell the camera.
Tell them what?
Who we have with us.
Oh, my mom.
Yes, Grandma.
Grandma came with us.
Oh
kids
gosh, Isaac is gone. I gotta go. Now, this feels like fall. Bree, this feels like fall. Oh, I'm not sweating right now. It's so nice. Oh, the music, the pumpkin, the overcast weather. Oh, I love it. This feels like fall in Disneyland. We're starting our day off in Fantasyland, so we can take advantage of those rides. And we got our ride for Rise of the Resistance, boarding group 36. So we'll go see Ray, see if she's over there. But we're definitely doing Rise of the Resistance with our friends Ralph and Nancy when they get here. All right. I think I lost my family. Let's go! Over here. We've never done this because it hasn't been open, but we are going to walk into Sleeping Beauty's castle and do the walkthrough.
In a faraway land, long ago, lived a king and his queen. Many years they had belonged to a child. Finally, their wish was granted.
And they called her
Aurora.
or Adeline.
No, Aurora. Don't listen to him. It's Aurora. Fearful of Maleficent's curse, King Stephen decreed that all spinning wheels in the kingdom will be burned to protect Aurora from Maleficent. The good fairies hid her in a forest cottage.
Sleeping Beauty.
Princess Aurora grew in grace and beauty. On her 16th birthday, a dancing green light bore her to a tower. She found a spinning wheel rolling in the dark. Touch the spindle. A voice commanded. Aurora obeyed and pricked her finger.
Ouch.
Unknowns to Maleficent, the good fairy, Merryweather, had changed hers so that the princess would not die, but sleep. The three good fairies put the entire kingdom to sleep as well, until the day Aurora would awake. High atop the tower, Princess Aurora slept,
Aurora.
awaiting for the noble Prince Philip, who would one day come to release her from her slumber with true love's kiss.
Mwah.
Maleficent summoned all of the demons from her castle to prevent Prince Philip from reaching the princess. Maleficent turned herself into a flame-spewing dragon to stop Prince Philip at any cost. Now you'll deal with me and all the forces of my imagination. It was the fiercest battle. The prince finally threw his sword into the and struck the dragon in the heart. The end.
Narrated by,
Adeline Maxwell and Isaac Maxwell.
directed by Dad. I hope you guys liked that. That was pretty fun. A long time to edit, though.
And support by Brianna Maxwell.
Wow, coming in with the nice voice, all soft and everything.
Anyway, time to catch up, get on some rides. Probably carousel for the kids. I'm guessing that's where they are. Having fun, Grandma?
Yes! Yes!
What? What? Keep going, I'll catch up. This one. No. So this is the most romantic thing I get to do with my wife. Since Grandma's here, we get to ride together. Hey, hi.
Oh, hey, what's shaking? Happy Disney Day.
So we met some awesome friends in line. Grandma is riding with the kids up there. And Mom get to ride some Dumbo around the neighborhood.
We get to fly.
We're going up or down?
Up, up, up.
And away!
So we can see everything.
Fair enough. I like to see the water. This is nice. Oh! Okay. Go! They haven't come up yet. Go down a little bit.
Oh no, here they come.
Adeline! Grandma! Wave! I know. Oh, I think I'm gonna shut the camera off and enjoy it.
You? Turn the camera off?
Well, maybe not.
Walk to the nearest center. See you soon.
Fantasyland was short-lived because we got our Rise of the Resistance. boarding pass already. So we're heading over to Batu and gonna check out some. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's better than what we did in almost a whole day.
Happy Halloween. What did you think
Of Sleeping Beauty's
of Sleeping Beauty's
castle.
Sleeping Beauty's castle in my awesome innovation?
You say, please comment below.
Please comment down below.
Okay, back to right over here. We're gonna have the next video where we went on. Well, and not even went on. Guess who? You know what? You're just gonna have to click the video. So check the next video right here. And what's that say? Oh, insert video here. Oh yeah. Well, I gotta finish it. But yeah, click this video, and we will go take you guys to the next couple of events that happened and some of the people that we met. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Baby Swimmer Maxwell Adventures. Out.